This is our day 2. Let's go. Do you guys see this globe? It's so cool. It's all made of Lego bricks. This is our second day at Legoland. I'm so excited. This is Legoland's 20th birthday. It's so fun. When you go in any rides, they're all decorated with birthday accessories. You guys can see the cake over here. This is Legoland's birthday cake. The weather's so nice, I love it. Look at this fisherman. He seems to be dozing off to sleep. Our first stop for today is the Coastersaurus. In this ride, we will be going through a prehistoric jungle of Lego brick dinosaurs. There's a giant dinosaur model made out of Lego bricks right in front of the ride entrance. Guys, we're on the Coastersaurus ride. This is so fun. Whoa, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Patrol right now. It's a red car. It's got the fire patrol. This is great. Okay guys, we are going up right now. Here are the other rides. Wow, you guys see all of that? Whoa, you can see the whole Legoland. Let's go to the driving school to get our license.
I'm on a little car. To your official driving test.
I felt so good. It's great, girl. Like anything was possible.
We're done with driving. We got our driver's license. It was pretty easy. See you guys later. I'm gonna go drive to the beach. Yep, well, just kidding. I won't.
We are about to go to the Kids Power Tower.
Let's go! And we will also be playing at the fun and colorful Duplo Playtown. At the Kid Power Tower, we will climb to the sky and catch an amazing view of the park. Are you guys ready?
Right now we are on the Kid Power Tower.
So I am pulling this thing up right now so we can go higher. Let them see the view outside, Rebecca. Oh, we're almost to the top and then I'll let go.
Oh.
I'm doing all the work. Okay, let's drop. Woo! Next, we are going on the Fairytale Brook ride. We are sailing through the favorite fairy tales and all the characters made of Lego bricks. Here's the story of Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Here's one of the dwarfs. Cinderella.
Cinderella, Cinderella, how here is Cinderella.
The Three Little Pigs. Jack and the Beanstalk. And here's the story of Aladdin.
Why are you using on a book?
Our next stop is Miniland USA. Miniland USA includes models of states and cities in the US that are made entirely out of Lego bricks. This is a place where you can visit California, Las Vegas, New York, Washington, D.C., New Orleans, all in one day. How cool is that?